Oh, do you see the lights? Once the camera is off. The magic tunnel.
They put lights in here.
All right, you did a good job. Chickens out. They are. Magic tunnel, Bradley.